Here we go, guys. Trader Joe's ready to bake pizza crust. Organic wood-fired pizza crust. Here's the bottom of the pizza again.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today I'm really excited about this video. In today's video we're gonna make Trader Joe's ready to bake pizza crust. This pizza crust is organic, wood-fired, and made in Italy. It sounds delicious, it sounds amazing. Let's go make some Trader Joe's pizza. Ready to bake pizza crust is great if you don't have time to make your own pizza dough, or if you don't know how to stretch pizza dough. All you have to do is put your sauce, cheese, and toppings on it, and you're ready to go. So we're gonna top it with some fresh mozzarella cheese, PECORINO Romano cheese, and I'm gonna use the Lalo pizza sauce. Here's what it looks right out of the bag. It looks really, really good. I'm very excited about this. It's still wrapped with this cellophane, so I'm gonna take this off, put some cheese and sauce on it and see what happens.
Now you're gonna add the sauce. Alright guys, here's the pizza. It took 7 minutes to get to this point. It's piping hot. It looks okay. Let's see what the bottom looks like. It looks pretty good. Not bad at all. I'm going to put the special seasoning on it.
Alright, I'm running out of time. It's getting dark. I gotta do this quick. Hopefully you guys can still see me. Let me do a slice. Here's a slice. That's the bottom of it. Top. It's from the side. It's the crust. Let's try it out. It's good. Trader Joe's ready to bake pizza crust. It's good. Yep. It's nice and chewy. There's nothing wrong with it, guys. You get 2 pizza crusts for like $3 and I don't know, 29 cents or something. Really, really good price. Makes great pizza. Kids would love it. What else? Easy to make. All you have to do is top it with your favorite toppings, pizza sauce and cheese, and there you go. You can use any kind of cheese, any kind of sauce, any kind of toppings, make it your own. You can make it any kind of pizza that you like. Trader Joe's, I would rate this 4 out of 5. It's another winner from Trader Joe's kitchen. Thank you guys for watching Parks and Pizza, and I'll see you in the next video.